Okay, so next question would be, how do I know whether or not if my dough is properly incorporated or not? Well, I'm going to introduce you to the Windowpane test. You take your dough, and if you can start to see light through it without it falling apart completely by stretching it just a little bit, this is called the Windowpane test. And I can certainly start to see light through it, but it is not falling apart on me as I'm doing so. So that way I know that my dough is fully incorporated and that I have kneaded it properly, so that way I'm ready to let it sit. So, take our clean bowl again, which I've cleaned. We usually use about 1.5 tablespoons or 1.5 caps, just depending on the size of your cap. Just enough to coat the bottom of your bowl and the top of your bread dough. Kind of swish that around inside. Kind of coat the bottom of that bowl. I'm going to lay him down pretty side down first. Coat him very well with oil. Now, honestly, this is the most laborious part, this right here. After this, it is stupid easy. Now that you've got that, get this oil off of my hands real quick. Grab a little bit of wax paper. A good towel. And you're going to leave this in a warm place for usually about 6 to 8 hours. It really and truly depends on how warm your kitchen is or wherever you're keeping your dough. And if you have a cool house, if you keep your house around 75 degrees or something like that, then what I suggest is you can take a bowl of hot water and place that underneath in your oven and get that as hot as you possibly can. Place that bowl of hot water underneath and then place this over the top and just place that in your oven and close your oven, and that will give you a nice warm humid area for your dough to rise. Once your dough gets to level about the top of your bowl, then you know that you've let it proof long enough. So we're going to set that on top of the oven, and I will see you in a few hours.